Hi, this is Yogesh Parmar and I welcome you to today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 9 Google Chrome extensions that will help you in increasing your productivity. So if you are a designer and doing graphic designing, web designing, or you are just creating graphics for your social media posting, these extensions will surely help you increase your productivity. So the first extension I would like to share, which is right in front of your screen right now, is not part of this list, but yet this is the extension that I would highly recommend it to any designers. So this is called Momentum, and when you open your Google Chrome browser, instead of having that boring screen, this beautiful picture comes up. This picture keeps on rotating, and it also greets you by personalizing your name and a big clock. Also, if you want, you can add a to-do tasks maybe for the day, whatever you are planning to focus, and you can just add it over here. Also, it comes with a very beautiful quotes down here, and it also has a feature which shows you the mantra of the day, and I really like this plugin. The name of the plugin is Momentum. I'll list down all the plugins in the description. So let's move ahead. So the next plugin in the list is called Color Picker. So we do get inspired by various colors while we are surfing different websites. So for example, if I'm surfing this website and I want to pick some colors from this plugin really comes in handy. So you just have to click this Color Picker and hover over any image or part of a website which you think that you like it and you want the color code of. So if you see on the top, you can see the RGB values and the hex values. Just click on the color which you want, and now it is copied, and you can use this to any of your graphic design projects. Now if you want to sample the colors in this entire page, there is a very cool feature inside. So if you just click there and click on Web Page Color Analyzer, it will pick up all the colors, CSS colors mainly, that are available on this page. So this is a cool feature which you can try. So now let's move on to our next plugin, and the next plugin is similar to this, but it helps you in finding out what fonts are currently on the given web page. So you do get inspired by the fonts and you want that fonts to be on your project, and this will help you. So you just have to click on this font finder icon and just click on say here, and it will come up like which fonts are being rendered, what is the size of the font, and all the other details. Also it comes up with a detail for the color. So this is a very good plugin which can really help you increase your productivity. Let's move on to the next plugin, and this is something like if you are into CSS designing, this will help you. Like for example, now this is the page, and if I click on Open Style Sheets, I can simply go here and I can play around. For example, I want to see on my website if some other font will look good or not. So I'll just go there, I click on the font name, I can change the sizes, maybe I make it big, I can even play with the colors. So say for example, I want to try if yellow color will look good. So this way you can play with this plugin and just test out if you are testing your website to see how the changes will look. You don't have to go the other way, like going into the page source and changing the settings to just have a visual appearance of how the page is being rendered. So this is a very cool plugin, and it will be really useful if you are into web designing. So let's move on to the next plugin which will help you to generate content, the Lorem ipsum content, which is widely used, right? So you just have to mention how many words you want, maybe how many paragraphs you want, or if it's a list, you can just click on this and you can just create the list, copy it and paste it to your website. So this is the number of paragraphs I want, and it has just created. I just copy it and paste it wherever I am working on my project. So this is a really cool feature of this plugin, and I'm sure that while starting your project, we do go to the Lorem ipsum website, and this will surely avoid the to and fro by just copying this from here. You can also type number of words if you want while you are creating your blurbs or any other designs, and you can just exactly push this to that project. So this is really cool feature. Now moving ahead to the next plugin. So say for example, if you are visiting a website and you want this entire website as an image. So this usually you can do it on your mobile, but what if you are on a desktop? So this plugin will really come in handy. It is called Go Full Page, and it will just create a full page version of the website that you are visiting. So you can just download it as a PNG or a PDF. So I'm sure this is one of the best plugin that I really like for using on my projects, because I can then simply go here, stick it to my project, and get an inspiration from it. So let's move on to the next plugin, which is also a screenshot plugin. So what this does is, the other plugin was to capture the entire page, but what if you want to capture only part of the pages and want to send for someone for the reference or maybe for the support? So you just click on the parts that you want. You can also highlight the parts, and there are various options, like you can save it to your computer or maybe you can save it to the cloud. So we just click on this and it creates a link for us, and now you can simply share this link to your friend or maybe a support person. So this plugin is also really helpful, and I have it all the time on my computer. Now let's move ahead. If you are surfing a website and you like few of the images over here, so instead of going in each image and clicking it to save, what you can do is you can use this plugin Image Downloader, and what it will do is it will capture all the images, mostly the featured images that are there on the page. So you can see this. You just simply click on select all, and all the 51 images will be downloaded. So next extension on the list is Loom. So Loom will help you if you want to do a screen recording. So you can do either a screen plus camera, only screen or only camera, and this plugin really helps you if you want to share a screen recording to your client or maybe to a team while you are working on something. So this is really a handy plugin, and you should definitely try this. And now moving on to the next plugin, which I like very much. It's called Pomodoro. So if you just go to the options, you will find that you can have different options, like you can fix the duration for your focus mode. So you'll be working for 25 minutes, then take a short break of 5 minutes, and every fourth Pomodoro, that is after 25-5, 25-5, 25-5, so that is 2 hours, you will go for a big break that is of 15 minutes. You can definitely configure this as per your liking, and it will keep on prompting, like once the 25 minutes are done, it will prompt in your browser. So this is also one of the best plugin for increasing your productivity. So I hope you like all these 9 plugins today which I have shared with you in this video. If you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel and liking and forwarding this to your friends or any person you think might be finding this useful. Thanks again, and do visit again.